Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch with your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone runs at least iOS 12 for compatibility. Make sure your Samsung Watch is powered on and fully charged, ideally to 100%, for a smooth setup. You will then download the official Samsung Galaxy Watch application from the Apple App Store. This app serves as the essential bridge between your devices. Once downloaded, open the application to begin the pairing process seamlessly. Once the Galaxy Watch application is open on your iPhone, tap Start Journey to begin the search. Your phone will then display a list of available Samsung watches. Carefully select your specific watch model from this list to proceed. A unique 6-digit pairing code will then appear on both your iPhone screen and your Samsung Watch. Verify these codes match precisely, and then tap Confirm on your phone. This action securely initiates the final stages of the pairing process. After confirming the pairing, you will review and accept the essential terms and conditions for the Galaxy Watch application. This is a standard and important step. Next, grant necessary permissions for your watch to operate fully. This includes access for notifications, health data, and location services, all vital for core features. The app might then suggest downloading any available software updates for your watch. Install these promptly. This ensures optimal performance and access to the latest features for a seamless experience. With your Samsung Watch successfully connected, you can now personalize your experience. Explore countless watch faces, customize widgets, and tailor notification settings to your preferences. Dive into health tracking features like step counting, heart rate monitoring, and sleep analysis, all syncing with your iPhone. Remember to regularly check for updates to both the Galaxy Watch application and your watch's software. This ensures you always have the latest features and optimal performance from your smart devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.